3-story, 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, Victorian turn-of-the-century home on the best part of Cowan Avenue in Parkdale, featuring parking, a low-maintenance backyard, and a complete nanny suite in the basement. I'm Tracey Logan with the High Park Real Estate Group, and welcome to our new listing at 9 Cowan Avenue. Let's go inside and take a look. The original details in this home are just incredible. From the stained glass windows to the raised baseboards, the crown molding, the fireplace and mantle, it's stunning. And then we get to the back of the house to our chef's kitchen. There's a Bosch dishwasher, a Viking professional stove, and a stainless steel fridge. We have sit-up marble counters and a beautiful garden window, as well as walking out to the 2-tiered deck in the backyard. The fully finished basement is an ideal nanny suite. We have a full kitchen, full bathroom, laundry, a bedroom, and a sitting room, as well as a ton of storage. The hardwood floors continue up to the 2nd floor, where we have 3 good-sized bedrooms and a full-sized 4-piece bathroom. The primary retreat is on the 3rd floor. It's been recently renovated and features stylish details like the blonde hardwood floors and an incredible primary ensuite with heated floors, a soaker tub, as well as a stand-up double shower with a glass enclosure. Thank you for joining us on our tour of 9 Cowan Avenue. If you have any questions or would like to have a personal tour, please reach out to us.